All right, is everyone ready?
Yeah!
Captains and firefighters, are you ready? Yes! All right, on your mark. Get set. Go! That's all right. Get right here, sweetheart. Get right here. All right, ready? Go back to where you were. Go back to where you were. Good job. Here you go. Hazel, good job. Take your bucket. Jump in. Good job. Now run back up. Watch out, mister. Watch out. Run back up. Good job. Go sit down. Run back. Good job. Good job. Hazel. Hazel. Grab your bucket. There you go. You guys got it. Let's hear some noise for the firefighters. The fire is still raging.
It's burning.
The flames are burning.
It's burning down.
Jump on that water. Jump it all out. Get all going. There you go. There you go. Bring it in. The most part about being a firefighter is taking the oath, right? So let's have everyone raise your right hand and repeat after me. Repeat after me. I say your name. Promise to never start a fire where there is not a fire. And I promise to put out a fire where there is a fire. All right, y'all, you gotta give the official hee-haw, and you're all firefighters now. One more small thing. What was your name again, miss? Lydia. Lydia being the team captain of our victorious team, we present to her the annual Founders Day Ribbon of Victory. Good job, Miss Lydia. Congratulations. Well done. Now, y'all going back to hold down later tonight, but we're announcing the winners of our competitions. Come on down, all y'all go ahead and raise your hand. You were all so helpful today. Good job. Give yourselves one more hand. We'll see y'all later then.
Good job, guys. Good job, Joey.
Thanks, Mr. Legg.
Good job, Lydia.
You won!
Well, I was on the winning team.
Yeah.
And I took the firefighters off. Oh, well, that's a lot of Olde I've been taking.
Yeah, a lot of yeehaws.
Eagles are fun.
Yeah. Okay, what'd you get?
Well, specifically a fireman's barbecue seems appropriate after my brigade mission.
Yes, you were. You were an honorary fireman now.
I took the oath. The oath. Quarter chicken with ribs and side of baked potato.
Yeah, but that's all including in the all-day dining pass, right? Yeah. Good.
Yum.
Hey, everybody! Hello! Oh, y'all so brave! You're so brave, please! Protect all that beautiful, sweet money so I can keep being rich! Don't let them take one penny of that beautiful, sweet money! It's nice to see you, Sheriff!
I'm using you as a shield.
Can somebody please tell me what is going on here? Stop! I've heard of that. I can't make sense out of nothing. Let's take it down there. You can tell us to the judge. Deputy, round them up.
All of them?
All of them.
Well, you are the sheriff. You're all under arrest. We're headed down to town hall before the judge. Luke, follow us to town hall. Let's go, all of you.
Phyllis Mayfield and Deadeye Jackson.
Those are you? Yeah, those are you.
I was upset.
I didn't do anything.
Why I robbed this place?
That's what the judge said.
So look at your finish line. That's my try. Deadeye Jackson and Phyllis.
I described them.
Yeah. No.
Hopefully this helps.
It is not looking bad. Too bad.
Oh, no, mia.
What did they take from the bank?
They took the gold nugget.
The whole nugget?
The big gold nugget, yes.
How many people took it?
2 people. Phyllis Mayfield and Deadeye Jackson.
It takes more than one person to lift that thing.
It's very heavy.
You have to be very strong.
Let's turn this in, Joey.
Perhaps they
let's
had
do that.
Oh, you fish?
How to turn it.
Oh, wow.
Fantastic.
We tried. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for all your help. And if you see any of them, let us know. We need to bring them to justice.
Anyway, I was actually inside waiting for the Snoopy Beach Beagle, I believe that's what it's called, show. We actually were in the middle of a fake bank robbery out there. That was pretty fun. So, more of those kind of live stuff. I really enjoy that. And now waiting for this right there.
It's a beautiful morning here on the sunny South Shore. Honolulu, to be exact. It's going to be another gorgeous day. Highs near 80 and getting hotter. It's Boss! And a perfect day for fun in the sun!
Let's give him a special beach welcome. Oh, here come the boys. It's Snoopy. Beach blanket beagle. Beach blanket beagle. Beach blanket beagle. That's the name of the game. Take people from the mainland. Go home to play. Have a circle. Come down. Sign them up for the game.
It's a surfing competition, and Snoopy just gotta win.
The grand prize should save our beach now and leave us somewhere to smile.
Chip, you got any good ideas?
Dead Man's Cove?
Dude, will you stop saying Dead Man's Cove?
Fine!
I feel I've never found. And when you start to sway, I gotta say, she really moves the grass around. Rock, baby, rock.
Finished with Beach Beagle over in the Charles M. Schulz Theater. Had a lot of like Beach Boys and kind of that era inspired songs and dancing and stuff.
Fun.
I thought it was pretty, fun.
Well, I think that's what it's called. Too.
Yeah, you liked it though?
Yeah, and California Girls, Beach Boys, like you said. And even Fire Dancer. I thought that was a nice touch.
Yeah.
And I thought those tiki idols, I was like, those eyes move, or is it just my imagination?
Of course, there's a
No,
reason they had them on the side.
I know, but they're creeping me out, like, why are the eyes moving?
I was thinking, like, when they did the, what was it, Forbidden Island, no. What were they said? Don't say that, like Forbidden Cove or
Dun
something.
dun dun.
I was thinking of the Tiki Room. Oh, the gods have been angered by all the singing or the celebrating.
Somebody has stolen my thunder.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating.
Think of Tiki Room. I mean, there's a lot of parallels between Disneyland and Knott's, but Knott's was actually opened first.
I believe so, yes. I think their claim to fame is that they're the first amusement park in California.
Well, yeah, the first theme park in the country. Obviously, like, there were amusement parks and stuff, but
smaller little things.
You know, I think Disney actually enjoyed Mr. Knott's park. I think he saw it, but you know, he didn't want Disneyland to be an amusement park. He wanted it to be a clean, family, fun place, right?
Yeah.
And I think he would appreciate Knott's as well.
I think so too. I like to think so.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure they met during their time.
That
Disney
I
and
don't
Knott's, I'm
know.
pretty sure.
We can probably look that up. Or if any neons know, comment below.
Anyway, we're going to head over to the sheriff's office. That the guy said, where? Sheriff's office. What time? 2:30. And it's 2:13 right now. So we're going to be over there and get a posse going.
We don't want to be tardy for the sheriff.
No, that would not be good manners around these parks. And what in tarnation is that flying contraption up there?
Well, it's kind of obvious that the sheriff's posse is coming in from the air.
I think it's Ma Phyllis.
Oh no, he's escaping.
We have warrants for Ma Mayfield and who the other?
Dead-Eye Jackson.
Dead-Eye Jackson. We're gonna bring those outlaws to justice, all right? So, we're gonna head out there, but before we do that, we gotta swear y'all in as deputies, right? Y'all wanna be deputies, right? Yeah! Follow the law, man, all right. So what I need you to do is raise your right hand. Everybody raise your right hand. You're the right, there you go, okay. All right, now, repeat after my deputy, everybody.
I promise.
I promise
to uphold the laws of Calico.
To uphold the laws of Calico.
I promise to be truthful.
I promise to be truthful.
Brave. And kind. Now, to seal the deal, I need to hear a great big loud, yeah! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Well done, everybody. Give yourselves a hand. Well done. Now we're going to head out in orderly fashion. We're going to just move carefully through.
Where's the sheriff? Where's the sheriff?
He's
I gotta find the sheriff. Sheriff, right now, Sheriff. I gotta find you. Sheriff!
Henry!
Sheriff! Mom Mayfield and Dead-Eye Jackson, they're at the saloon. They're playing cards.
Ooh, we gotta get them.
Let's go get them.
All right, here, you wanna help us?
Yeah!
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's go get them. Bring those outlaws and
Go get them, everybody!
All right, everybody, are you ready? Yeah! All right, cover your ears, loud noise coming up, all right?
Miss Mayfield and Dead-Eye Jackson, we know you're in there, and we got a posse full of citizens out here that demand that you give yourself up. And are we right? Yeah! Show yourself!
You ain't taking my mom without a fight!
Hey, Mayfield, what on earth are you doing? All right, knock it off right now. Come on. All right, go ahead. Go ahead,
Dennis, we know you're out here. Come on out!
Where do you go?
there she is, everybody.
Right here, right here.
My dad, buddy.
Stop! Clay! What is going on?
We're covering you so you can get away.
I ain't going nowhere. And even if I was, I wouldn't need your help.
We got her, everybody. She's surrendering. Give yourselves a big yeehaw. You get your hands up where I can see them.
And we've stolen, and yes, we've even robbed a bank or two, but that life is behind us. We ain't those people no more. And now I came into this town to only get what's rightfully mine, the deed to the town. That's all I want. So, Your Honor, we plead not guilty.
All right.
Woo! Thank you.
Citizens of Calico, you heard the defendant's plea. How do you find her, innocent or guilty?
Guilty.
Phyllis Mayfield, you're hereby incarcerated for a period of 5 years in the town jail.
What?
Sheriff, take her away.
right.
Thank you, Clem. Ladies and gentlemen, here's where the problem lies. The matter's quite simple, actually. First, the deed to the town of Calico was purchased by Ophelia Cinch, the daughter of Pegleg Cinch. She purchased it with the gold that he found in the mine. Now, she purchased it immediately after it had been awarded to Clay Mayfield, who had just been awarded the deed because his father, Ox Mayfield, whose name was on the deed, was incarcerated. But then Clay became incarcerated, and then the deed was taken away from him, and then she was able to make the purchase. But then Clay became uncarcerated because we found he wasn't actually guilty of any crime, so he was uncarcerated. And the reason that Ox Mayfield, his father's name, was on that deed to begin with was because Ma Mayfield, her name was originally on the deed, was crossed off by Ox because he thought she had expired. But as we learned earlier today, when he came into town, she had not expired because she had, in fact, not expired.
Cut to the end of it.
All right. Well, it showed the gold wasn't the gold, and the crime wasn't the crime, and the dead people were dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a particularly hard case for me to try, seeing as Judge Roy Bean left me in charge while he's up visiting the governor up in Sacramento. So I'm going to turn this over to the people this affects most, and that's all of you, good citizens of Calico. Today, from 4:15 to 4:45, right here in front of Town Hall, we are going to have an election to vote once and for all who is the true and lawful owner to the deed to the town of Calico. For a period of 30 minutes, beginning at 4:15, which is in about 40 minutes, right here in front of the steps of Calico, Town Hall, we want all of you to come back and vote. Are you with me?
Yeah!
We'll see you at 4:15. Court dismissed.
I don't know about you, but it's kind of boring.
Well, I mean, they aren't Winchesters.